Hey everyone. You know how sometimes in software development we get super confused between use cases and user stories? Well, let me break it down for you in a way that'll actually make sense. Use cases are basically these detailed technical documents that map out exactly how users interact with the system. Like when you're trying to explain to your grandma how to use her new smartphone. Every single step needs to be spelled out. It's like, first, press this button. Then if this happens, do that. But if that other thing happens, do this instead. Pretty detailed stuff, right? Now, user stories? They're like totally different. You know what I mean? They're more like those quick text messages you send to your friend. Like, as a lazy developer, I want one-click deployment so I can spend more time watching cat videos. See how that's way more casual and relatable? I mean, the other day, I was in this meeting where someone was like, here's our use case. The user wants to feel happy using our app, and I'm just sitting there thinking, dude, that's definitely a user story. You know how it is. Sometimes people just mix these things up. But here's the thing. They're both super important in their own way. Like, use cases are perfect when you need to get all technical and specific, while user stories are great for keeping things simple and focused on what the user actually wants. So yeah, that's pretty much the difference. Just remember, use cases are the detailed instruction manual, and user stories are the quick pitch. Easy peasy, right?